Woodworking bench. Introduction to different types of router tables that complement the woodworking workbench. Welcome to a world where creativity meets craftsmanship. Today, we delve into the heart of woodwork, exploring the diverse types of woodworking router tables. These tools are indispensable for any woodworking aficionado, enabling you to shape, cut, and design wood with precision. Before we get started, if you are looking for a specific type of router table, check out the links in description below. We have listed the router tables based on the different categories that are described in this video. Let's start with the benchtop router tables. Compact and portable. These tables are perfect for small spaces and on-site jobs. Despite their size, they offer considerable precision and are an affordable option for beginners. We then move on to the floor-standing router tables. These stationary tables are a staple in most woodworking workshops because of their robust build and larger work surfaces. They accommodate bigger projects, making them a favorite among experienced woodworkers. The extension router tables follow next. These are brilliant additions that connect to your table saws, providing a larger working area. They are versatile, serving dual roles that save on both space and cost, ideal for the economical craftsman. Have you heard of the tilt-top router tables? These innovative tables allow you to adjust the top's angle, creating beveled edges and unique shapes. It's a step up for those looking to expand their woodworking repertoire. Let's not forget the CNC router tables. These computer-controlled tables are the epitome of modern woodworking, offering unrivaled precision and consistency. They are perfect for complex designs that require absolute accuracy. Composite router tables are the superheroes of durability. Made from a combination of MDF and phenolic resin, they're designed to withstand heavy usage. Their robustness makes them a much-loved choice among professionals. Aluminum router tables are the featherweights of the category. They're incredibly lightweight and portable, yet offer enough durability and precision for most woodworking tasks. These tables are the ideal companions for on-the-go woodworkers. Next, we have the MDF router tables. Made from medium-density fiberboard, these tables offer excellent value for money. They're stable, durable, and provide a smooth surface for seamless woodworking. Phenolic router tables are next in line. Known for their high resistance to heat and moisture, these tables ensure longevity. Their durability and low-maintenance nature make them a preferred choice for many woodworkers. Then come the cast iron router tables. These heavyweight champions are known for their unparalleled stability and durability. They absorb vibrations, providing a smooth operation, ideal for handling heavy-duty projects. Finally, we have the custom-built router tables. Tailor-made to suit individual needs, these tables are for those who demand specific features. They offer the freedom to incorporate your requirements, helping you create your ultimate woodworking station. In conclusion, the diversity in router tables is a testament to the versatility of woodworking. From benchtops to custom-built pieces, there's a router table for every woodworker, project, and workspace. Remember, the right router table will not only enhance your woodworking skills, but also ensure safety. Therefore, knowing your needs, budget, and workspace limitations is crucial before making a choice. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned pro, discovering the right router table is a journey. So let the exploration begin and let your creativity flourish with the perfect woodworking router table. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to check out the links in description for the different types of router tables discussed in this video. We hope you find your perfect choice. Until next time, happy woodworking.